Lucy.
Hi, I'm Olivia.
What we should draw today?
I don't really know, but a lot of my friends are curious about how to draw 3D.
How about today we're learning to draw some 3D stuff?
That's a great idea. Let's do it, guys.
Are you ready?
Let's begin.
First of all, we're preparing a pencil, an eraser, right?
Yeah.
And marker and pencil. Okay, and now we write love, L-O-V-E, with a pencil. The L should write larger in the middle. So larger a little bit. Try your best. And the O you could write smaller a little bit, like here. Okay. Looks more fun. Some big, some small. Okay, and then write the large V, like here. V. Okay. Yeah. And then E, could draw smaller. Here. Okay, nice. Now we starting use the marker. Okay, we draw the lines around the pencil. Draw a longer, a vertical line here. Okay. Then draw a horizontal line, connect each line here. So this is L.
L is for the way you look at me.
And now we draw O. So we draw it around the circle with the pencil. Mine is a little bit, yeah, sometimes it happens, you know, so it's fine. You just draw the bigger one
is
first.
For the only one I see.
And then draw the middle circle.
O is for the only one I see.
And now we draw the bigger V, okay? Bigger V. And here, the same, right? Connect. And when we draw this part, you could like draw the short horizontal line here. Or if you want it like that, it's okay too, okay?
V is very, very extraordinary.
And now we draw the little E. So the little E we draw from here in the middle. The half circle. Yes. And around. And then connect from here. Right here, right? Okay.
O is for the way you look at me. O is
And now we start to draw the part that makes the letter look 3D. Okay, the first draw some diagonal line at the position of each note. Look here. Okay, remember the same direction, okay? The same direction. And even O, see, here the same direction. And here, the same direction. the same long even, right? And even E. And also here, right? The same. Okay, and then now we connect like this part. Put the horizontal line, connect, right? Yeah, and then here, connect together, and then here. And this here, I don't remember this part. And here I have a two. Here, yes. So here, right? And the O, and the O inside also have like this, but you have to follow the round like this, yes. And here, right? And here, connect a little bit. Okay. Follow the shape here. And that's E plus 1. You connect here, and you connect here, right? And also inside, remember? And this, a little. And here, connect, yeah. You know the E, you should follow the shape, right? Here and the same, you have to follow it. So, and here's a little problem, you know. So you're gonna fix it, okay? We use the one, fix it. At the last part, we add some heart on it, or around it, you know. So we could add one here. I'm gonna add one here, and here another one. Okay, and now we start coloring.
Let's begin, guys. L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary.
What do you think?
I think it's very good, and you can give it to your loved ones like my mom. I love her so much.
Oh, that's so sweet. I love you too. Thank you, friends, for watching.
Subscribe if you like this video. Comment down below what we should draw next. Bye, guys. See you next time.
Bye.